everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy from Timo Solar Advisor. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install a complete 5kW solar inverter system using a 230 lithium battery and 8 550 solar panels. We shall learn how to connect the solar panels, battery wiring, inverter setup, protection system, and how to test the whole system professionally. If you are interested in solar installation, hybrid inverter system, and practical electrical skills, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch until the end because I will explain everything step by step in a simple and practical way. Now let us begin the installation step by step. The first step is positioning the equipment. We begin by mounting the inverter on the wall in a clean, dry and well-ventilated area. The inverter should not be exposed directly to sunlight or rain, and enough space must be left around it for cooling. After mounting the inverter, we position the thumb battery close to the inverter to reduce voltage drop and minimize cable loss. Next, we move to the solar panel installation. We mount 8 pieces firmly on the roof structure using strong mounting rails and clamps. The panels must face the correct direction to receive maximum sunlight throughout the day. After mounting the solar panels, we begin wiring them. For this system, the solar panels are connected in series, depending on the inverter PV voltage range. We connect positive to the negative from one solar panel to another carefully until the string is complete. Before connecting the solar panel cables, we use a multimeter to measure total DC voltage from the solar panels to confirm the voltage is correct. After confirming the voltage, we install the DC protection devices, including DC breaker, surge protection, and proper isolation for safety and maintenance purposes. Now we move to the battery connection. We use a fake cable suitable for high current. The positive cable from the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the inverter through a DC breaker or fuse. Then the negative cable is connected directly from the battery. Before turning on the system, we confirm the battery polarity is correctly because reversing polarity can damage the inverter instantly. Next step, we connect the AC wiring. The grid or generator input is connected to the AC input section of the inverter. Then the output cable from the inverter are connected to the load distribution board to supply power to the house or building. After completing all wiring, we check all cables, tighten breakers, break positions, polarities, earthing, and voltage drop readings. Earthing is very important in every solar installation. The inverter, solar structure, and protection device must all be connected properly to the earthing system to protect the equipment and users from electrical fault or lightning. Now we power the system. First, we switch on the battery breaker, then we power on the inverter. We switch on the solar breaker to allow solar charging. On the inverter display, we confirm battery voltage, solar charging current, AC output voltage, and load performance. Finally, we test the system by turning on appliances and confirm everything works properly. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical solar installation training. Thank you for watching.